Come on down to Riverbend RV Resort in Watertown, Wisconsin. Our family-oriented camping resort has been a hidden diamond in the Midwest for premier camping and family fun. Our amenities are endless and offer something for the entire family. Water and electric RV sites big enough to handle anything you can legally drive, tent sites on the grass, or rent a cabin or the lodge. This is the place you come to unwind, relax, enjoy family and friends. Guests love the swimming pond. Parents love the room for kids to roam. Anglers and boaters love the river access. Our serene setting is home to an amazing pool and water park. Enjoy the sun and water. Or better yet, have some fun making the run down the slides. Plenty of excellent food and beverage options are found throughout the property. Grab and go or dine in. Riverbend RV Resort hosts many annual events. And in the evenings, we have regular gatherings and concerts. So much to do for the family, you'll wonder where the weekend went. If you can't find something you love here, then you can't find it anywhere. Riverbend RV Resort is the place for you to enjoy. We invite you to come on down to Riverbend RV Resort in Watertown, Wisconsin. Call 920-261-7505 or visit riverbendrvresort.com.